Can you imagine these stunning websites were all made by using AI in just 3 minutes? The process is insanely simple. No coding, no design skills needed, and let me show you how. First, go to ChatGPT, describe what kind of website you want. I'm going for a coffee shop. And ChatGPT will generate a super detailed prompt for your website. Copy that. Let's head over to Readdy. Paste your prompt right here. Send it, and you can customize the structure, the logo, or you can just skip this part. Ready, start building your website now. Let's wait a few minutes. Alright, Readdy has finished the first version of the site. Let's take a look. As you can see, the hero section and menu are already professionally designed. Everything is already set up. The sections are organized, and the subpages work perfectly. Oh, it can even filter. Honestly, it's like 90% finished on the first try. Now let's look at how to refine the details. My favorite feature is the Select Editor. Activate the selector. You can click on any element on the page for real-time editing. For example, we can quickly update the main headline. And if you want to make the page more interesting, you can turn a still background into a video. Use Select Tool, right-click to enter the layer list. Choose Image, choose Create Videos, and Readdy gives you a prompt automatically. Click Generate. Wait a moment for the AI to create the video and hit Apply. Now the hero section feels much more alive. If you don't like an element, just select it and delete it. Remember to submit, and the modifications you made using Quick Edit will be saved. You can bundle up to 5 changes and send them all at once to save your credits. Efficient, right? You can also talk directly to the AI. For example, if you want a new photo, just say, "Regenerate this image." The AI understands what you need and updates the code in the background so you don't have to worry about the technical side. Now the site looks solid, but let's add one last touch. Animations. Tell Readdy, add some animations to this site and send it. Now as you scroll down, the elements gently float into place. It gives the whole website a much more professional feel. If you want a specific effect for a certain area, just use the selector and tell Readdy. Now we have got a high-quality, fully functional website. Let's publish it. Just hit the Publish button. You can even customize your domain. Let's go with Coffee House. Hit the Publish button again, and your website is live and deployed. It's that simple. Look at the final result. A fully functional, animated, professional website in less than 30 minutes. It's honestly that easy. Go try it out. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this inspires you to build your own site. Check out the link in the description to try Readdy for yourself. Also, leave a comment below with your suggestions for my next project. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful so you won't miss future updates. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.